What is happening? The aircraft needs to maintain a track over the ground that aligns with the center line of the runway. With the wind coming from a direction that's not right down the runway, the nose of the aeroplane will drift or be allowed to drift into the wind. So you end up with this effect with the aeroplane being offset and crabbing across the ground.
People see it, it looks like you're kind of flying sideways,
Yes,
but it's
it
all
does.
part of the plan and it's the best way to land in a crosswind.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God. How challenging is this kind of landing for a pilot?
It's demanding, but the training you get throughout will get you ready for this. Obviously, the more experience you get in flying the aeroplane, the stronger the winds you can land in.
Whereas a guy who works for a short-haul airline might do 4 landings a day, 4 days a week, I probably average about 3 a month, and therefore the exposure of a long-haul pilot to those kind of conditions is minimal.
And have there been times when you thought, my goodness, that was close?
Yes, you learn from that, and that's the experience that you take to make better decisions in the future.
50, 40.
Well, we could go from a bright sunny day with no wind to the worst tornado you could expect. And pilots now, they're much more prepared because we have those facilities to recreate real scenarios.